Antigua and Barbuda is a small sovereign nation located in the Eastern Caribbean. The country is made up of two major islands, Antigua and Barbuda, as well as several smaller islands, islets, and cays. The capital city of Antigua and Barbuda is St. John's, which is located on the island of Antigua. Antigua and Barbuda has a total land area of approximately 442 square kilometers, 170 square miles, and a population of around 100,000 people. The official language of the country is English, and the currency is the Eastern Caribbean dollar. The country has a tropical climate, with temperatures typically ranging between 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, throughout the year. The rainy season occurs between May and November, with the peak of the hurricane season being in September. Antigua and Barbuda's economy is heavily dependent on the services sector, particularly tourism. The country's beautiful beaches, warm climate, and other natural attractions make it a popular destination for tourists from around the world. The tourism industry accounts for about 60% of the country's GDP and employs a significant portion of the workforce. In addition to tourism, Antigua and Barbuda also has a financial services sector, which provides a range of offshore banking, insurance, and investment services. The country has established itself as a leading offshore financial center in the Caribbean region, attracting a significant amount of foreign investment. The agricultural sector is also an important contributor to the economy, with products such as sugar, cotton, and vegetables being the main agricultural exports. The country has a small manufacturing sector, which produces products such as electronic components, clothing, and alcoholic beverages. Antigua and Barbuda's government has implemented various reforms to address these challenges, including measures to increase foreign investment, diversify the economy, and promote sustainable development. In conclusion, Antigua and Barbuda is a small but vibrant country with a rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. The country's economy is heavily dependent on the services sector, particularly tourism, which accounts for the majority of its GDP and employs a significant portion of the workforce. The financial services sector and agriculture are also important contributors to the economy. Despite facing several challenges such as high levels of debt and vulnerability to natural disasters, the government has implemented various reforms to promote economic growth, diversify the economy, and promote sustainable development. Overall, Antigua and Barbuda is a unique and fascinating country with much to offer in terms of culture, natural beauty, and economic potential. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.